You've been doing push-ups, squats, and planks for months. Same body, same mirror. Nothing changed. And I know what you're thinking. Maybe it's genetics, maybe it's diet, maybe you're just not built for this. None of that is true. It's not your genetics. It's not your diet. Your home workout simply has no way to grow. Today I'm going to fix that. One video, no equipment, 5 minutes of your attention. That's it. Here's the mistake almost everyone doing home workouts makes. They train until tired, not until strong. More push-ups, more reps, more sweat. Every single day, harder and harder. But the body looks exactly the same. That's not progress. That's just repetition dressed up as effort. And repetition, no matter how exhausting it feels, doesn't build muscle. Here's why. Your muscle doesn't grow because you got tired. It grows because you gave it a reason to change. Those are two completely different things, and most people never separate them. Think about a gym. In a gym, the barbell forces progress. You add 5 kilos to the bar, and your muscle has no choice. It has to adapt or fail. That's the entire secret of a gym. An external force keeps making the exercise harder, whether you like it or not. At home, there is no plate to add, no bar, no stack of weights waiting for you. So what do most people do instead? They just do more of the same thing, forever, at the exact same difficulty. 20 push-ups becomes 30, becomes 40, but the actual push-up never gets harder. And here's the truth nobody tells you. Your body stopped listening months ago. It already mastered this exact movement. You're not challenging it anymore. You're just repeating a test it already passed. It's not asking for more reps. It's asking for a new problem to solve. So let's give it one. You don't need weights. You need 3 progression tools that replace them completely. Tool 1, tempo control. Slow the lowering phase of every rep down to 3 or 4 seconds. A push-up done slow is not the same exercise as a push-up done fast. Same movement, completely different demand on the muscle. Tool 2, leverage progression. Before you jump to a harder exercise, change the angle of the one you're already doing. Elevate your feet on a push-up. Go single leg on a squat before you ever try a jump squat. Harder leverage beats more reps every single time. Tool 3, density training. Keep the total number of reps the same, but cut down your rest between them. Week 1, 60 reps in 10 minutes. Week 3, that same 60 reps in 7 minutes. That drop in time is your added weight. That's your barbell hiding in your own clock. Put those 3 tools into one simple circuit. Push-ups with a slow tempo, single leg glute bridges, rows using a towel under a table, or slow negative pull-ups if you have a bar, and a hollow body hold for your core. Run through all 4, 3 rounds, minimal rest between movements. Nothing fancy, just structured. And here's how you keep growing week after week. You don't add more sets. You apply one of the 3 tools. Slow the tempo down further, change the leverage to something harder, or shrink your rest and tighten the density. That's your progression, built entirely out of your own body weight. So here's what I want you to walk away with. Stop measuring your workout by how tired you feel at the end of it. That number means almost nothing. Start measuring it by one simple question. Did I make this harder than I made it last week? If the answer is yes, you're growing. If the answer is no, you're just repeating. Same body weight, smarter demands. That is how muscle grows without ever touching a single plate. Now you know.